guys, welcome to Andrew's Table. So New Year's is almost coming up, and it's a Korean tradition on New Year's to have some Tteokguk, which is a Korean rice cake soup. So we'll be making that with some dumplings, and there are various ways to make it, but today I'll be showing you one of the more easier but traditional ways. So let's go and see what ingredients we'll need. So we're going to start off by marinating our beef first. So let's add in our soy sauce first. And then our sesame oil. And our garlic. And we'll just give this a quick mix. And I already have the rice cake sitting in some water. We're going to go ahead and get started on our eggs. And this is where the more traditional part comes in. We're going to separate the yolk and the white. When you top the tteokguk with the eggs, you see the yellow and the white, and it looks much prettier. For this, we'll need a paper towel and some oil. So I drizzled some oil down here, and I'm gonna wipe it down with the paper towel because if there's a lot of oil on the fry pan, the eggs will bubble up and not look as pretty. So I'm gonna wipe this down so that the oil is evenly spread throughout the pan. And I have it on low heat. Make sure it's on low. I'll do the yolks first, so you drop that in. Now I am making it a circular shape and as thin as possible. So now I'm going to carefully flip it. And do the same exact thing with the whites. So we are going to cook the beef now in the pot that you're going to be cooking your rice cake. Now the beef is cooking and it looks like it's almost done, so I'm going to go ahead and add my water in. So now once this comes to a boil, we'll go ahead and add some of the anchovy sauce. It'll bring some deep flavors in, and we'll add the salt. And if you guys think you guys need more salt, go ahead and feel free to add more. So after all the sauces, we're gonna add in our rice cakes, our dumplings, and we're just about done. Actually, while I wait for this to boil, let's go ahead and cut up our eggs because they should be cooled down by now. We'll start with the whites. And now that this is boiling, we are going to add in our anchovy sauce and some salt. I drained the water out of the rice cake, and we'll go ahead and add that too. Ow. We'll go ahead and add our mandu in. guys do on New Year's Day, but our family's probably gonna get together and we do this thing called and we play games and we bow to our elders and get money, but like Grace and I probably aren't gonna get anything this year. We're too old for it now. So this is just about done cooking, and you can tell, I mean, there's only one true way to tell us to taste it, but once the dumplings and the rice cakes start rising up to the top, it's about done. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate this in a bowl and put on my toppings, and we'll go ahead and do a taste test. Is my hand too in it? No.